In this section, we're going to take a look at what Oracle Application Express is and what it isn't. In order to keep things simple, I'm going to refer to Oracle Application Express as Apex from now on. Oracle Application Express is a development environment where everything is done inside the browser. And when we say everything, we mean everything. The administration of the Apex environment, the creation of new end users and developers, the security that's associated with those users, the creation of applications, and the running of applications are all done right inside the browser. The end user doesn't have to install anything locally on their machine in order to use the Apex environment. This is incredibly useful for organizations who have really complex environments, where their end users might be accessing applications from different browsers and different operating systems. You can have end users who use Windows, Mac OS X, maybe even a few who run Linux. They could access the application from a Firefox browser, the different versions of Internet Explorer, Google Chrome. Doesn't really matter. Oracle Application Express is built on web standards, so your end users can access the applications very easily from just about any client that they could possibly imagine. Another really great feature about Oracle Application Express is the fact that it's free. It comes pre-installed inside the Oracle database, and Oracle makes new versions of Apex available for you at no charge. In the next couple of lessons, we're going to take a look at what it takes to install the latest and greatest version of Apex in your environment. One thing that Apex really isn't is a tool that has some of the enterprise tools built into it. What do we mean by enterprise tools? Well, there are certain environments where you need very sophisticated SOA-based tools. SOA stands for Service-Oriented Architecture. You might need tools like Business Process Execution Language, Web Services, and other tools to handle human tasks and workflows. Oracle Application Express really doesn't have those tools built into it. You have a limited capability of creating web services inside of Apex. But to have true enterprise tools, you're going to have to look at some of Oracle's other offerings, like Oracle JDeveloper and the Oracle WebLogic application server, in order to do those types of things. Oracle Application Express can interface with those applications developed with those tools, but it wasn't really designed to have true enterprise tools built into it.